Hey guys, I'm Eric from Agile Design and Fabrication, and today we're going to assemble the RIFF vinyl storage unit. So this one, the one column unit, is a bit different from the others. Because it's so narrow, we had to add some extra braces on the legs to make it perfectly stable. So the first steps are to get out these long panels here. Now you notice that the wood grain isn't quite the same on either side, so you want to pick the one that you like the most. Personally, I really like the ones that are really textured like this, so I'm going to keep these on the exterior. So once you have one of the panels, you can grab one of the braces like this. So you want to check which grain of wood you prefer. So this one is going to be on the back side, so it doesn't really matter, I guess. I prefer the textured one, so I'm going to keep that one on the exterior. Just slide this in here like this. You want to make sure when you tap in these pieces that they go in evenly, right? So you don't want to put one side all the way in and the other side all the way in, because that'll wrench the piece a little bit too much. So you want to tap a little bit on this side, a little bit on that side, a little bit on that side, until you get to the end. There we go. You'll know it's all the way in when this piece is kind of flush with the first slot here. All right, so once our legs are put in like this, we can actually start on the panels. So these panels are all the same. They're reversible as well. There's only one that's a little bit different. The one with the little slots engraved in it. I don't know if you can see on the video properly, but this one should go on the top shelf just because it's made for the front-facing display there to keep the vinyls from sliding. So we're going to save this one for a little later. And we're going to start from the bottom, climb all the way up. Okay, so before we get too far ahead of ourselves, we want to take these dowels here and slide them in, because once we're all the way up, the unit is going to be too tight and we won't be able to put these in. So slide this back so you can seal it better. So these fit in the round holes, so you're going to have to stretch the piece out a little bit. Again, our last piece with the slots, you have the slots facing up. All right, so once all these steps are done, we're good to flip our piece up and keep going that way. There we go. So the last and final step is pretty simple. It's using these little locks here, and basically they're going to add some lateral stability, and they're also going to keep your vinyls from sliding back and out in case your piece is not against the wall. So basically, these go in through here, and then out the other side, and then you just slide them in and lock them that way. Put all four in and you're set. Thanks for watching.